Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see the how to replace the car battery. I think recently I tried my car basically to try to unlock, but it's not working. Basically, I finally I got to replace. I come to know to replace the lithium battery of the remote key lithium battery. I have see the nothing is working here. All the keys, the desired keys are not working. Let us see how to replace the battery here. So I'm always trying to open the car, but it's not working. Let us see how to get open. Let us so we have to get the new lithium battery for the replacement. We'll see the how to replace the new lithium battery. Let us see. See, this is the key. Basically we have to open the key, I think. Okay, there is already provided the some emergency key is there. First of all, we have to pull out the emergency key. After pulling out the emergency key, see, this is the emergency key. After suppose if the key is not working, if remote key is not working, you can use that key. After pulling out the emergency key, you can use the this one some screwdriver. Suppose you can use some screwdriver or key also to open the door of the your lock. Basically key, remote key having a door inside the door. There is some we can there is you we will see the some you will see the lithium battery, old lithium battery. You will see the see you will see the yeah, I think now we got the yeah, now I tried a couple of times. Slowly you have to check it, otherwise it will be broken out. Basically yeah, see, you need to pull using the screwdriver, otherwise other it won't come. Use the you also use the key to open the key door. Basically see, there is a lithium battery. Lithium battery is that is the old lithium battery. We have to replace that battery with the new one. This is the new one. I got this new one for the for 30 rupees. You can we can outside, you can from battery shop you can go and get it 30 rupees. Let us see the first of all what is the voltage levels of the this battery. Voltage levels of the old battery with multimeter. Why it's not working? See here, I'm using the multimeter to check the voltage levels of the old battery. See here, 2.78. We need 3 volts minimum, more than 3 volts we need that battery. That's why it's not working. The battery, the multimeter displaying 2.78, positive negative 10. Yeah, it is a now I am going to check with the new lithium battery. Just I bought it from the market, see, from the shop. We have to see what is the voltage level of the this new lithium battery. Using the same multimeter you can check it out, just for to make sure whether it is going to any going to work or not. To just make sure, no need, if you got you can replace without checking the multimeter. You can now it is showing the 3.28 volts maximum volts. Now we have to replace with new battery, new lithium battery with old, after removing the old lithium battery. See, yeah, I am replacing. After that we have to close the door properly, otherwise make sure you are closing the door properly. See, after that we have to see the functionality. Let's verify the functionality. We have to go to the car. See, press the desired button, desired key to check the functionality. See, open key and close key and all the keys are there. You have to check here. Basically, yeah, see, yo, whoa, it's working fine. Fantastic, it's working. Just you can replace yourself also. You can replace yourself. This is for just for understanding purpose only. Yeah, it's very good. First time I'm replacing. I have been replaced the key without any knowledge. Basically, you guys also try. If you are facing any difficulties, you guys also try. Oh, yeah, it's working. All keys are working fantastically. All keys are working. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and my channel. And thanks a lot. And please subscribe the Daveri Logs. Subscribe and comment for more details. Thank you. Thanks.